Did you know that low testosterone levels could be affecting your energy, strength, and even your mood? The truth is that millions of men are struggling with this without knowing how to turn the situation around. But don't worry. Today, you'll discover 7 amazing steps to naturally boost your testosterone and regain the vitality you thought you had lost forever. Stay until the end to understand how step number 7 can significantly enhance testosterone levels and is rarely executed correctly.
Step 1. Balanced diet.
A balanced diet is crucial for maintaining high testosterone levels and promoting optimal hormonal health. Foods rich in zinc, such as pumpkin seeds and lean meats, are essential for testosterone production. Vitamin D, found in fatty fish and through sun exposure, is also vital as it helps the body produce hormones effectively. Healthy fats, present in nuts, avocados, and olive oil, help regulate hormone levels and improve endocrine function. An inadequate diet can lead to low testosterone levels, affecting your energy, mood, and overall health. To avoid this, it's important to include foods rich in essential nutrients. Spinach is an excellent option for its high iron and antioxidant content, while fatty fish, such as salmon and tuna, provide essential fatty acids that aid in hormonal production. Additionally, including lean meats like chicken breast and lean cuts of red meat can provide high-quality proteins that support testosterone production. To start your day healthily, try a breakfast with eggs and avocado. Adding a portion of nuts to your meals can also be beneficial. These simple and nutritious food choices help balance your hormones and promote overall robust health. We began this list with nutrition, but item number 3 has a power that few know and apply effectively. It will significantly impact your testosterone levels. But first, let's move on to step number 2. Step 2. Regular exercise. Physical exercise is one of the most effective ways to naturally boost testosterone. Weightlifting and high-intensity workouts are particularly beneficial for this. When you exercise regularly, your body responds by increasing testosterone production, which can lead to a significant improvement in your hormonal levels. Studies show that regular physical activity, especially strength training, can notably elevate your testosterone levels. Besides hormonal benefits, exercise helps strengthen muscles, improve endurance, and increase overall energy. You'll notice becoming stronger, more energetic, and more vital. To achieve the best results, it's recommended to include strength training, such as weightlifting, in your routine at least 3 times a week. Adding high-intensity interval training, like sprints or circuits, can also provide an extra boost in testosterone production. These adjustments to your exercise routine will not only improve your hormonal health but also transform your physical and mental well-being, helping you achieve your goals more effectively. Step 3. Quality sleep. Getting good sleep is essential for maintaining adequate testosterone production. When you don't get a good night's rest, your hormonal levels can drop significantly. Lack of sleep can negatively affect not only testosterone but also your overall health and daily energy. A good night's sleep helps keep testosterone levels high and regulates many other important hormonal processes. To ensure quality sleep, it's important to establish a consistent sleep routine, going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night for the best results. Creating a sleep-friendly environment is also crucial. Make sure your room is quiet, dark, and comfortable. This may include using blackout curtains, reducing exposure to electronics before bedtime, and keeping the room temperature pleasant. Good quality sleep not only improves testosterone production but also promotes adequate recovery and overall well-being. Adjusting your sleep habits can have a significant impact on your hormonal health and quality of life. In the next step, we will explore the importance of stress reduction and how to do it simply. But before that, I invite you to explore an exclusive content that I'm sure has the power to further boost your testosterone naturally. Click the link in the first pinned comment and check out the advanced content.
Step 4. Stress reduction.
Chronic stress can elevate cortisol levels, a hormone that interferes with testosterone production. When you're constantly stressed, your body produces more cortisol, which can disrupt your hormonal levels and affect your health in various ways. To help keep your testosterone levels balanced, it's important to manage stress effectively. Reducing stress can improve your testosterone production and promote overall well-being. There are several simple and effective techniques to control stress. Meditation is one of them, helping to calm the mind and reduce anxiety. Regular yoga practice can also help relax the body and mind, as well as improve flexibility and strength. Deep breathing techniques are another effective way to reduce stress and bring about an instant sense of calm. Incorporating these practices into your routine can make a significant difference in your hormonal health and quality of life. Additionally, these techniques can help improve your mood, increase energy, and promote an overall sense of well-being. Step 5. Maintaining a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for proper testosterone production. When you're overweight, your body can suffer from hormonal imbalances that affect testosterone production. Excess fat, especially in the abdominal area, can increase estrogen levels, a hormone that can reduce testosterone. Losing weight and maintaining a healthy weight can have a significant positive impact on your testosterone levels. This is because reducing body fat helps balance hormones and improves overall hormonal function. Additionally, a healthy weight can boost your energy, improve mood, and lower the risk of various diseases. To achieve and maintain a healthy weight, it's important to combine a balanced diet with regular physical exercise. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provides the necessary nutrients for hormonal balance. Additionally, regularly engaging in physical activities, including aerobic and strength exercises, helps burn calories and build muscle, which also contributes to better testosterone production. These combined practices promote better overall health and help keep your hormones in balance. Nutrition and exercise will work wonders for maintaining your weight, but what I'll reveal in step number 7 is like a turbo boost, helping you achieve the benefits of a healthy weight for increasing testosterone much faster.
So stay tuned.
Step 6. Moderation in alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can have a significant negative impact on testosterone production. When you drink excessively, your body may start to produce less testosterone, leading to various health problems such as fatigue, reduced muscle mass, and mood changes. Additionally, alcohol can affect sleep quality and increase stress, both of which further harm your hormonal levels. Drinking heavily can also affect other hormones in your body, causing imbalances that can impact overall health. This can result in weight gain, metabolic changes, and liver issues, which can also affect testosterone production. To keep your hormones balanced and promote better overall health, it's important to moderate alcohol consumption. Ideally, limit your intake to 1 or 2 drinks per week. This can help avoid the negative effects of alcohol on your testosterone levels and overall health. If you're struggling to control your intake, considering gradual reduction and seeking support might be a good strategy to improve your hormonal and overall health. I strongly believe that the information provided so far has been valuable for your life. Knowing this, I suggest subscribing to the channel, as I bring videos every day to further boost your testosterone and overall health. Now, let's move on to the 7th and final step. Step 7. Natural supplements. Some natural supplements can help increase testosterone production and improve your hormonal levels. Ingredients such as fenugreek and ashwagandha have proven useful in this regard. Fenugreek is a plant that can help boost testosterone levels and improve libido. Ashwagandha, an herb traditional in Ayurvedic medicine, can help reduce stress and consequently, improve testosterone production. These supplements can be a good addition to your routine, especially if you're already following a healthy diet and exercise plan. They help enhance the effects of the changes you're already making to boost testosterone. However, it's essential to choose high-quality supplements, as the market can have products with varying effectiveness. Before starting any new supplement, it's important to consult with a doctor or healthcare professional. They can help ensure the supplement is suitable for you and doesn't cause unwanted side effects. Additionally, they can help adjust the dosage to meet your specific needs and ensure you're taking the best approach to improve your hormonal health. Starting to seek good health is not just about knowing the best steps and tips, but also about creating awareness and having the discipline to execute them every day. I'm not saying it's easy, but I know it's entirely possible. Knowing that nutrition plays a super important role, I made this video with the 20 most nutritious foods to boost your health and increase your testosterone. Click the video and learn more. Until then, take care of yourself and have epic health.